All right, so we got our new dishwasher in the mail today. The package is a little bigger than what I thought it was gonna be, but I mean it is a dishwasher. But we needed this because Lord knows we needed to get these dishes done. We have a lot stacked up, and it's just awful. So here I took it inside of the house, and it was actually surprisingly light for what it was. So I took it into the house so that I can open it up and set it up. It was, like I said, very light. I was surprised. So this knife right here, my neighbor Todd gave it to me. It's a case knife. It's very pretty. It's very nice. It's made in America. And it's just overall a really, really good knife. I like it. This video is not sponsored by Case, but I do love the Case knives. Thanks for Todd for handing that to me. So let's just go ahead and open up this package here. It's just so satisfying to me to just absolutely cut open a box, and it just feels nice. And when I say it feels nice, it's so satisfying. Just slice open this tape, go shh. But yeah, I missed here a little bit trying to slice this thing open. It just was what it is. But I finally popped it open so that I revealed this face. Like, yes, that box looks like a face. So I'll throw this thing in here like that. Nom nom nom. It's a nice face. I don't know what I should do with that face, but it is nice. But right here is the dishwasher. It's, like I said, a lot larger than I thought it was going to be, but I don't know what I was expecting because it is a dishwasher. However, it is small enough for it is small spaces, and like if you're in an RV or a situation where your house or apartment does not have room for this type of, like a dishwasher, a full-size dishwasher. So here it is. Here's all the rack and stuff of it. It has this basket for some reason for washing fruit. I don't know anyone who would wash their fruit in a dishwasher, but I guess teach your own. So let's just go ahead and load this thing up and see how it fares. So first I'll do my plates. Then I'm going to throw a little bit of my glasses in here because we need to definitely wash our cups. As we saw, we have a ton of dishes. And I mean way too many dishes. It's crazy. So I'm just needing to get everything loaded. Fortunately, I ended up struggling right here with the little rack that you put like your forks and knives and stuff in. I don't know what the problem was, but I mean, there was clearly a problem. And so there I had to just fiddle with that a little bit, trying to get everything to fit right. So, well, yes, it is amazing that this is as small as it is so that you can fit it anywhere. It honestly has its flaw of being that small because you can't really fit a whole lot in there. And then, as you can see, I kind of am struggling getting things to fit by this point. At some point, I ended up having a little bit of trouble shutting the thing. Like, see, I'm struggling right here trying to get it to fit back into the actual machine itself. I had to fiddle with the plate, fiddle with just a few different things to just get it to fit in there, you know? So this is where the dishwashing soap goes. I don't know why it's open like that. It doesn't really make a whole lot of sense to me to just throw it in that little slot just for when you close it, it just dumps on out like that. I don't get it. So, I mean, you might as well just shove the soap onto the dishes themselves. But up top here, you put your water. It takes 5 liters of water, I believe. It takes 3 of these little these little Kool-Aid dumps or whatever the heck these things are in. But by the time that you finish with this, it should provide itself a little beep. Like it will beep once it is full, and when you should stop adding water to it. So that does happen here in just a moment. I know that, but like I said, it takes 3 of these. But so it's time to put the lid on like that and get this thing started. So like I said, it can wash fruit. It has a few different settings. But it is just interesting to me. So we'll set it to normal here with the 69 minutes. And yeah, just here's all the different settings. But we need to hit start now. And then just see how this thing fares. Because it is very interesting. Like, this video is not sponsored by HAVA whatsoever. But we are testing out this product. It seems like it'll be good. I've never used anything like this in my life, so we will see. We will see. Very interesting, I say. But we're trying to see if anything's happening here. As you can see right over there, water is already coming out the side. It is funny just how this thing works. But there it is. It's finally starting to throw water all over the dishes like it's supposed to. The top one's spinning, the bottom one's spinning. It looks like it's working like a normal dishwasher. So props to it, I suppose. But yeah. So now that the dishwasher is done, of course, we're going to open it up here and just take a look at everything to see if it actually cleaned everything. Because like I said, I've never used a product like this. So, honestly, it looks like it has cleaned the dishes pretty well. And that is very, very good. My forks and spoons are starting to come together nice and clean. They look clean. They look nice. So, this has proven to just show that it cleans my dishes pretty well. I like that. I'm happy with it. My plate looks nice and clean. Everything that this has been in this dishwasher so far looks clean. Like it actually worked pretty well. Actually kind of better than what I expected it to work, which is a very good thing. So yeah, that's the HAVA dishwasher. It does require you to put a bucket down and run the hose to it because unfortunately there's nowhere for it to drain, so we'll just have to dump the bucket outside here. Not a problem. There we go. It is all empty now. But now back inside, just to show the rest of this dishwasher. It's, like I said, was more impressive than what I thought it was going to be. It's nice. It's alright. Like I said, it gets the job done, and it gets the job done well. So, if y'all like this video, please do like, subscribe, and I'm going to put a link down for this dishwasher in the description below so that you can check it out yourself. All I did was buy it on Amazon. It's very good. Thank you. Goodbye.